Hello everybody, thanks for checking this little movie about me. I am from the Netherlands and I'm traveling with my girlfriend for 7 months now, and we're now at the moment in Bali, and this is where we met Casper. Casper, I can say a lot of things about him. He's a tall guy, he's the sweetest guy I've ever met, but this is not the most interesting thing about him. Me and my girlfriend were looking for some changing in our lives, and in the beginning it was like physics. I want to lose some weight, I want to be better in shape, I want to feel stronger, more happy with my body, and so we met Casper, and he is in a place where we want to be. And so when I met him, I was asking him if he could be my personal trainer. He could give me some tips, food-wise. I'm already plant-based, vegan, and I'm very proud of it. But I did not have the body I was happy with. So I was in contact with him and he explained me a lot of things, but he said to me, well, it's not only to work out and go to the gym every day or stuff like this. Probably you have done this already. And I did. I went to the gym a lot of times, but I quit also a lot of times. And he said, well, it's more than this. It's like a whole mind thing what has to change before you can reach a certain level of stability, inner boost to continue and not quit after 1 month, 2 months, or earlier or later, but to continue this and implement this in your life. And he, Casper, he showed us the way. He said, well, it takes time. Do you want to take your time? And I said, well, I have 7 months. I really want to make a change. So you were there. You wanted to make a change as well, and so I believe you, and I want to go on a trip with you. So we did, and I honestly can say this is amazing. This is an amazing step. Without his tips and tools, like a guy with the same experience, I would never have had the drive to do this and to continue this, because I always almost going home, and I have the drive. I found the drive. Normally I am at the beach drinking a beer, stuff like this, and now I went to the gym 6 times a week. I was with Casper. I did inner circle, I did breath workshop, I did so many things I cannot even think about what we've done. We did cacao ceremonies. I took the time for myself to find myself, and not only go to the gym, because this is not it. It is the mind what has to change, and Casper opened up my mind, and how he did it was amazing, because it was step, sometimes a step back, and it was difficult. Absolutely, sometimes it was difficult, but he was there to help me and guide me and to give me tips and tricks. In the end, you do it yourself. You can quit, you can continue, you can go deeper, you can whatever. But he was there as a coach, not as a teacher, and he was showing me the way. And this is his strength. And I have met so many personal trainers in my country. I had conversation with therapists and stuff about things what happened in my past, but everything what we've reached here together, this was an eye-opening moment. On a moment, this I took the time for myself, and this is the most important thing, and he is there to help you. So if you have the time and you have the spirit, I'm not saying it's easy, because it's not easy at all, but if you have the time and you want to make a change, there's only one guy, and this is Casper, who can help you. He's there for you, but he's there also with you. And yeah, it's not only up, up, it's also go down, sometimes down, down, and this is hard, but you're not doing it alone. So well, I can only say good things about him. And if you're doubting, do the workshop or whatever he is going to offer, or a seminar or whatever, or a 90 days trial or a year trial. Maybe I'm for sure that it will benefit you in the rest of your life. You can come back to the places where you talk with him, you can write things down, so after half a year you can read it back, you can do steps back, anything, what you're gonna do. But he is a guy, he helped me, and I'm sure he can help you as well. So go for him, and my heart is there with him. He's an amazing guy. He takes the time for you, and for me, I want to say this is the last thing. You're not a number. You're a person when you have your strength and your weaknesses, and he is there for you. You're not a number, you're a person, and this is the most important thing. You don't feel like a number, which is encouraging you to go deeper in yourself, to change, to make a change. And this is his strength. And I know you can do it. It's hard, but it's definitely worth it. So good luck. I hope you do it. I did it. And I'm very happy. Mind, physics are now in balance again, or well, finally, actually not again, finally they are reaching a higher level of self-awareness, anything. I'm very happy. So good luck. Bye-bye.